got some new chocolate, so. Before we go away, turn in your lists, because it's a happy thing to read over them. Okay, good. Excellent. Thank you. Put your name. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Sarah? Beautiful. Absolutely awesome. Oh, let's see. I think what I'd like to do is wait until Tuesday, a week from today, to do our last little bit of new stuff. So we'll do something new on Tuesday. Thursday we'll go over it, and then we'll also have the review for the test on Thursday, a week from Thanksgiving. And then our final, is it a final exam?
No.
It's just a second test. Good. Our final is at 9:25 on Tuesday the 6th, December the 6th.
Is that right?
Yeah, they didn't have any that started right at 10, so it was either starting at 9:30 or starting at 10:30. So you can get here whenever you want. I'll be in here starting around 9, and I'm gonna stay in here all day, so.
So it's 9:30
Starting at 9:30 and then going until you finish.
on the 6th.
On the 6th, Tuesday, December the 6th.
Yeah, because in Canvas, you put 1050 to 120. When you send us the Canvas message.
Okay, thank you. So that actually overlaps my other class, so I didn't think. But anyway, I'm gonna be in here the whole day. I'm gonna have both classes in here. You can come anytime on the 6th, which is a Tuesday. It's not gonna be a horribly long test. And you'll know exactly how long it is when we do our review on Thursday, a week from Thanksgiving. Any questions at all?
Were we gonna have a review?
Thursday, a week from Thanksgiving.
Is the review gonna be like the final or not? Or is the review gonna be like the?
Yes. So the review and the next test will be the same. Don't ever take family for granted. I know y'all know that. We'll have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Thank